Business Day, I'm Milton Walker. The Elite Diagnostic IPO has been oversubscribed and the subscription list was closed yesterday. Shareholder notification of allotments of shares and the date of the company listing will be released at a later date. A total of 70.68 million shares were offered in a bid to raise $141 million. The shares are expected to be listed on the junior market of the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Oil prices fell on Tuesday as traders anticipated an increase in U.S. stockpiles and growing shale production. Light sweet crude settled down 76 cents or 1.2% to $63.39 a barrel on the New York Mercantile Exchange. It's the lowest settlement price since January 19. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $125.70. The Canadian dollar is selling for $99.60. Sterling is costing $174.13, while the euro is going for $156.06. In today's trading session, the JC index declined 2,595 points to close at 286,911. The junior market index declined by 28 points to close at 2,968. The leading stocks advancing today were Siboney, Key Insurance, 1834 Investments, Knoxford Express, Kingston Wharves, and Victoria Mutual Investments. The losers included Sterling Investments, Jamaica Producers, Caribbean Producers, JMB 7.5%, Lasco Distributors, and Pancham Investments. U.S. stock market swung rapidly on Tuesday amid frantic Wall Street trading triggered by earlier losses. Shares opened about 2% down and shuttled between positive and negative territory throughout the day. However, at the close, the Dow Jones and Nasdaq were more than 2% ahead, while the S&P 500 was up nearly 2%. Investors are fretting over the prospect of rising interest rates, which push up borrowing costs for companies and consumers. The gyrations followed steep declines on Wall Street on Monday, which sparked a sell-off in Asia and Europe. Analysts have been forecasting for months that the financial markets were due a correction after a long period of rising prices. Earlier on Tuesday, markets in London, Frankfurt and Paris had initial losses of up to 3% before recovering some ground. Japan's Nikkei 225 closed down 4.7%. The steep sell-off began last week after data in the US showed a stronger than expected wage growth. That's the Business Day. I'm Milton Walker. Good evening.